2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. And this one comes with the third converter right there. Then a flex pipe. Then we did Y pipes, straight pipes, 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch angle cut tips by 18. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. 2009 Chevy Silverado 4-door 5.37 G71. I don't know why I said 7, but okay. What we got done, the usual. Stock converter there. Stock converter there. Y's into single. Then it's got a third converter. Anytime you see that third converter right there, what you want to put on it is a Super 10. You never want to put a 40 series on it, because it will be very, very quiet, almost stock. So you put a Super 10, and the nice thing about Super 10, as you guys can see, is really tiny. It's a single chambered muffler, 3-inch to 2.5 outlet. Then we put 2 1/4 tailpipes straight out the back. That gives you 4.5 inches of flow, right there and right there. And then we did 3.5-inch roll tips out the back, just clean, really smooth. Come out really, really nice right there. There's a Super 10. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in the magic of YouTube in a second. Let you guys hear on the inside. Got the nice black badge on it. They changed it out. Oh yeah, never disappoints. That's what it sounds like at idle. LT edition Silverado 5.3 liter. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You always want to tuck them, because with a truck you don't want them sticking out. They don't look good and you can cut yourself. I want to say thank you to them. They drove an hour and a half to get here. They saw us off our YouTube channel.
eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.